Next topic is creating a form using form design, children. For that, again we should click on here student table only. First we have to select the table. And then in the form design, now again go to the create only. Create tab. There it is there that form design. This is the form design. Just click on that form design. Okay, if you click on this one, see here property sheet option is there. Property sheet. In the design view, property sheet option is there. Just click on that property sheet. There you can select the data. Data is there, no? Just click on that one, data. Okay, in that add fields, add existing fields option is there. Now you click on this. See this, if you click on this, you will get all this. ID, roll number, name, class, marks, address, grade. Whatever you want, roll number I want. So you just click, hold the left mouse button and then click on there. See. Just click on the right click. Name I want. Just click and drag where you want. Here I want. That's it. Next marks, grade only I want. Just click and drag where you want, in the table. In the form, wherever you want, you just click on it. Okay children, like this you can enter. You can adjust here also, grade and marks like this. Okay, if you didn't want Miss grade, this one grade we didn't want, just click on it and delete. Okay, like this you can enter all this one. Okay, after doing like this, continue with the wizard option is there. Continue with the wizard. For that, see here. See this one children, in the control group small icons are there. If you move the mouse pointer to there, you will get the name of that box. That is combo box from control. Combo box is there, no? If you want, just click and hold it. And wherever you want, you just click and drag. See here like this. Just hold it and drag it. Or else double click on it. If it didn't came like that, you just double click on it. See like this. If you click and hold it, means it will get combo box wizard. Okay, I will type the value that I want. In that, if you want to type your own values, you just select this one. Okay, then just click on next. Here it will asking the number of columns. How many columns you want means you just click on here. Here one column only, by default it is there one column. See that cursor children, I want 3 columns. So I am just typing the 3 and then click on here next. In the column 1, column 2, column 3 like that will come. Then again click on 2. Next. Here store the values that I want field. Here you can select the field. Grade I gave no, just click on grade. Just click on grade and then click on next. Okay, then you click on finish it. Then you see this one children, like this it will get came. You can adjust this one. Again it came like that, no need of this. Like this you can see all this one combo, continue with the wizard. This is the combo box now children. With this another one is there, that is the list box. See next icon is called the list box. What is that? List box. Just double click on it. Else click and drag till here wherever you want. Unbound box is there, no? See this one. See just move there where, just click on it. There you want, here list 1 is there. I want to type subject marks. Just click on next, column 1, column 2 like that. Next, just click on finish it. And like this it will come. Okay children. See here, after doing all this, here you will get the form 1. Just click on that form 1. In the unbound box, if you want to type anything, just click on it. There you can type anything children. Student. from student table like this. Okay, if you want to format it, see here, select that one. Select it here, bold, italic, underline, and size also is there. Whatever size you want, you just select it. Okay, you know all of this, no? Format styles. Do like that, children. This is the form one. Again, if you want to see here, go to the view. In the design view, form view is there, no? Just click on the form view. Then you see roll number, Ajay, grade 8, combo 7, like this. Whatever you created, those boxes and list box, all you will get. Okay, children, this is the form lesson. Forms. See here, children, next topic is to display an unbound or combo or list box, children. For this, we have to select the student table like this. Then go to here, create, children. In that form design option will be, just click on that form design. Then form 1 will be open like this. Here in the tools group, add existing fields option is there. Just click on it. Then you will have all these fields. Whatever you want, just name means just double click on it, name. Then in name it will come. Then marks I want. Then grade. After grade I want subject names, children. For that we have to use this one combo box, where it will be in the control group. Here combo box is there, no? Just double click on it, select it, and click and drag wherever you want on the, see, select it, then move the mouse pointer wherever you want, just place it. Then it will came like this, children. There you select the second one, then click on next, 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 finish, children. Okay, after doing like this, taking the unbound combo box, then go to here in the tools group, property sheet will be, just click on this property sheet. In this data option will be, in the data tab will be, in the data tab select the data tab. Here format, data, present, like that different tabs are there. You select data tab. Okay, in this one row source type is there. Which one, children? Row source type. In that you select, move the mouse pointer to there and just click on it. Then one drop down arrow will be, just click on the drop down arrow. There you can select the value list, children. Which one? Value list. Then coming to this row source column. Okay, row source row. In that you just type whatever you want in this box. There you type in the double quotations. Okay, children, see here I am typing double quotations, English, then separate with the semicolon. See here I am taking English and Maths only. Then see here, make sure that this allow value list edits is must and should will be in this. Okay, then see, after doing all like this, next go to here views option, children. Here we know use option. Click on this view, select the layout view. Which one, children? Layout view. See, like this you will get. See here drop down arrow is there. In the unbound box we typed already English and Maths. See, if you click on here drop down arrow, it seems means click on this form view, children. In this form view you will get this English and Maths. Okay, in the layout view you can design your form. Okay, if you want to see anything, it means you can select only the form view, children. In the form view you can see here this English, Maths, not only English, Maths. Here in the, now going to the layout view. If you want to layout view, if you want to add more, it means just click on here Maths in this row source column. See here, if you click on this three dots are there, no? If you click on that, there you will get, see, like this English, Maths. I am typing here Telugu. Then what is this? Hindi. like this. Then click on OK children. Okay, see here now. Now go to the form view again. Click on the form view. See here you can see all this English, Maths, Telugu and Hindi. Okay children. Now coming to the layout view. Select the layout view. Now I want to design this one form. Okay. If you want to give any heading for your form, it means then go to here format tab. Sorry, before going to the format tab, we should click on this create tab. See here children, in this one, to add a title to your form, it means go to here view option. In that view, just click on design view children. In the design view here, label option is there in the control groups. Just click on here label, select it and just click and drag wherever you want. See like this. Okay, here you can type whatever title you want. I am typing here students database. Okay. See, for this, if you want to give any colors to format it means just go here in the property sheet, format option is there. Just click on the format children. Here back color is there. If you want to change the back color, see here 3 dots are there, a drop down arrow is there. You can select anything, any color. You can select the color. Next, font size. If you want to increase the font size or to decrease the font size, just click on this one. First you have to select this one table children. Select it. Then next, font size. If you want to increase or decrease, you can increase it like this. Font italic S. Just font size, I'm decreasing the size children. See like this. Bold, you know the spacings and each and everything is there. Font color. See like this, here so many options are there. Whatever options you want, you can adjust like this. You can format it. Font underline, yes or no will be. If you want underline for that title means you can underline it. Like this you can design your form children. Not only title. If you want to change this, just select that one. Then you can change the font name. Just click on the font name, drop down arrow will come. Then click on the drop down arrow. Whatever colors you want, to just select the font name, font size and everything. Background color, border color. Like this, so many options are there. You can select it children. Okay, you can format your form. After that, you know how to save. Just click on here. Click on save as option. Form 1. For that form 1, just give any name. Then click on OK. Then the form 1 will be saved. Okay. Then again click on here. Save as. Copy of form 1 like this. We are saving now form 1 only children. Okay, like this you have to save your forms. This is the lesson of forms children.